The straightforward answer is that FreshBooks does not impose a hard limit on the number of clients you can have across all of its pricing plans. This is fantastic news for businesses with ambitious growth plans. Unlike some other software that might restrict the number of contacts you can store, FreshBooks allows you to build and maintain an extensive client base without worrying about hitting a ceiling. However, while there isn't a direct limit on the number of clients, it's essential to understand how FreshBooks' pricing structure and features interact with your growing client list. The value you derive from each plan and the features available might influence your choice as your business expands. Let's delve deeper into how FreshBooks handles clients across its different subscription tiers. FreshBooks pricing plans and client management. FreshBooks offers several pricing plans tailored to different business sizes and needs. While the number of clients isn't a limiting factor in any of these plans, the number of billable clients and the features included are key differentiators. Light Plan. This plan is designed for solopreneurs and freelancers with basic accounting needs. While you can have an unlimited number of clients in your contact list, the Light Plan limits you to 5 billable clients. This means you can only send invoices and track payments for a maximum of 5 unique clients per month. If you work with more than 5 clients who require invoicing, this plan might not be suitable for your needs. However, you can still store the contact information of all your clients, even if they aren't being actively billed. Plus Plan. The Plus Plan caters to small businesses and growing teams. It significantly expands your capacity, allowing you to have unlimited clients and up to 50 billable clients. This tier provides more flexibility for businesses with a larger client base and recurring billing needs. You also gain access to more advanced features like client retainers and project profitability tracking, which become increasingly valuable as your client portfolio grows. Premium Plan. For established and expanding businesses, the Premium Plan offers even greater capacity. You can have unlimited clients and bill up to 500 clients. This plan also unlocks advanced features such as advanced reporting, workflow automation, and client portals, which can significantly enhance your client management capabilities as your business scales. Select Plan. This is FreshBooks' most comprehensive plan, designed for larger or more complex businesses. With the Select Plan, you get unlimited clients and the ability to bill over 500 clients. This plan also offers customizable features, dedicated support, and lower transaction fees, making it ideal for businesses with a high volume of clients and transactions. Key takeaways regarding client limits on FreshBooks. No hard limit on total clients. You can store an unlimited number of client contacts in FreshBooks across all plans. Billable client limits. The primary limitation lies in the number of billable clients per month, which varies depending on your chosen plan. Scalability. FreshBooks' tiered pricing structure allows your business to scale seamlessly as your client base grows. You can easily upgrade to a higher plan to accommodate more billable clients and access more advanced features. Contact management. FreshBooks excels at contact management, allowing you to store detailed information about each client, track communication, and segment your client base for better organization. Beyond billing, even if a client isn't currently being billed, you can still maintain their information in FreshBooks for future engagement or record-keeping purposes. Why understanding billable client limits matters. While having an unlimited number of client contacts is beneficial for maintaining a comprehensive database, the billable client limit directly impacts your ability to generate revenue through the platform. If you regularly invoice more clients than your plan allows, you'll need to upgrade to avoid disruptions in your billing process. Choosing the right plan for your client needs. When selecting a FreshBooks plan, consider not only your current number of billable clients, but also your anticipated growth. It's often wise to choose a plan that offers some headroom to accommodate future expansion. Start with Light. If you're a new freelancer or solopreneur with a small and consistent client base, 5 or fewer billable clients, the Light plan can be a cost-effective starting point. Upgrade to Plus. As your business grows and you start working with more than 5 billable clients, the Plus plan offers a significant increase in capacity and valuable additional features. Consider Premium or Select. For established businesses with a substantial client base and more complex needs, the Premium or Select plans provide the scalability and advanced features required for efficient management.